Welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons, parsonsmarketing.net. If you're overseas, you need to get a hold of me. Send me an email, daniel@parsonsmarketing.net. Or that's Daniel Parsons is my username or handle on Telegram. So almost a billion people. I read that 700 million plus people. They're going to get to a billion people on Telegram. That's a lot of people. So it's a wonderful way for people to do global business and not have anyone have to pay long distance for calling overseas. This is a short training video for the 22nd of June, 2022. There's a problem with PayPal. If you don't specifically send to friends or family a transaction, PayPal will hit me, the merchant, with an $11 fee. Okay. I had a customer today. He specifically selected send friends and family. And for a $350 product, and it's the iTeraCare Classic device. It's a very, very useful device to have in everyone's home for first aid purposes and for people like me that do senior softball and I wake up pretty sore the next day. I can get some definite benefit with reduction in my inflammation pain and from joint damage that I had in my knee, chronic injury in the Air Force back in West Germany in the 1970s. So I want to show you right here that even though the person that sent the payment was told that he's sending a total of $350, on his end, that's what it said because he showed me the picture. But look right here, the PayPal fee, and I'm taking the mouse, and sure enough, they took almost $11. So right here, if I'm trying to do an order for somebody for a $350 device, $339 is not going to cut it. And then if I refund this, it creates a big mess because they pull the money right out of my bank account. And I don't want that to happen. And then I'm putting a burden on the customer. And so we have a solution. Let me go off of share so I can make sure that we're going to go in here and show you the solution. Okay, now let me hit share again. And there's an app called Cash App. Okay, and this is allowing you to send people funds from your bank. And the web address, if you want to send me $350 for either a iTeraCare Classic device, the iNetwork Prife International is the parent company, negative ion pendant, just go into your browser and type in cash.app/$ and then Parsons Ministry. So this is real simple, and this way your $350 gets to me and you don't get hit with a fee and I don't get hit with a fee, and then everybody's happy. Now, if you have money in your PayPal and you want to send to iNetwork, okay, and I better go off of screen share again because sometimes when I change the screens, it does not do the same thing that I want it to do. So let me go here, share, and I'm on share screen now. Okay, so let's say you have $350 in your wallet and PayPal, and you want to send to Prife International $350. So let's go right here, 3500. There's 350. And what's this payment for? And this is very important. You want your customers to pay you because this is what I'm doing. Let's go username. in all caps, and then take the all caps off, do a semicolon, a space, then put your username in all caps. And that's pretty simple. And then hit the continue button. From there, you know how to fund your transaction. And then the handle for iNetwork2You is simply that right there, iNetwork2You at PayPal. So, and if you do it this way, make sure you select friends and family, because I'm going to be contacting you. And I just, I want our referral links to come back up, where Stripe is handling the payments. STRIPE is the payment processor. But this company has grown so big that they had to renegotiate the processing fees with this company. So for right now, we're going to continue to go this way. I prefer Zelle, Z-E-L-L-E, because many big banks will let us move money back and forth to each other for goods and services. And I use Bank of America, and Bank of America has Zelle. Chase has Zelle. Many credit unions even have Zelle now. So, and that's it for that. Now, let me go off of screen share and go to some more training for you, because this is very important. And in the iNetwork, okay, I am going to get back to the screen share now and share the screen. And let's go to iNetwork and share, and let's sign in. Now, once you have sent, my captcha's wrong, it timed out on me. Okay, once you have sent the $350 to Prife International, let me do that step. I'll come back here. This is the home page, and I'll show, we'll be back here in just a minute. But let me go off of screen share and go show you what I do with the receipt that is in my PayPal. So when I went into the PayPal, I just clicked on the transaction that I made, okay? And I did what's known as print screen. It's a little button just above the backspace button on your English keyboard. And right here at the end, this is the latest print screen, which I actually need to go in and upload this one, because I'm selling anywhere from 5 to 10 devices a day doing it this way. So I'm going to select this username Parsons, okay, and I'm going to upload it into Prife. So let me get out of screen share now, just to make sure that you can see all of this. And let me go share screen. Let me go back to Prife. And here we go. So I signed in. Let me go down to the bottom of the home page and show you right here, register wallet. Okay, they've already approved my latest one. I'm getting ready to send in another one. So I'm doing my best to keep at least 5 to 10 signups a day of money in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the navigate button. And on navigate, I am going to hit the top up register wallet. It's the first orange button. I'll simply go right here. I'll select that screen share that I just told you about, username Parsons. Now, what you need to do, once they approve this top up wallet register listing, okay, hey, it uploaded successfully the first time this time, $350. Okay, make sure you change the method here from bank to cash, because you're sending them $350 cash. And then put in your security password and hit submit. Now, top up listing successful. Okay, so I want to go to the top up listing to upload the receipt. So here we go. And I'm going to put another receipt here. And I'm going to go grab the image. I actually think it's better to just go ahead and get it where it'll pull up in your screenshots folder. So click on that image, hit open, upload that image, and I think this time, see, successfully. Evidently, you need to really make sure you click on that from the folder. Then they're working over there now. I would imagine that anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, this is going to be in there. You got to think Malaysia time on these uploads. It is in the evening on the East Coast at 7 p.m. in the evening when it's 7 a.m. over there in Malaysia. So anywhere from 7 p.m. Eastern time till probably 5 in the morning the next morning, New York Eastern time, you can get these top-ups done this way, okay? So that being said, let me go back out of here, and there's something else I want to show you. And I'm going to go off of screen share again because I've learned from experience that we need to always get out of screen share and come back and go here. And I want to go into the register. Now, you're going to look and see that I've got $804 in my register wallet. There's one other thing that I can throw in here for training. Let's say you've got a whole bunch of money in your bonus wallet that you don't have the encashment authorization form done with Prife International to get direct deposit to your bank. You can actually use your bonus wallet money to register people, then have those people give you the $350 and voila, you just got yourself paid. And so you can do that as long as you have money in your bonus wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and select United States because I've got somebody I need to get a device to. And so we're going to go here and we're going to do it right now. So that's the end of this training video. And you can get me on Telegram for free, Daniel Parsons, or you can get me at daniel@parsonsmarketing.net. Europe has inventory. Several of the stockists in Europe have told me, Daniel, send me some customers. And the United Kingdom, I can get you devices right now shipped out of Asia, 220 volt devices that work perfectly with your electrical grid there in the United Kingdom. Ireland, the same. So they have inventory now at headquarters in Malaysia. They're going through a quality control check. That's the last I heard. This is the 22nd of June, 2022. Several stockists in the USA do have inventory right now as I speak to you. So I'm getting people devices shipped right away. For those of you that are still waiting and we're in that backlog with the Hawaii orders, he is getting that cleared up. So please be patient. He's recovering from illness and he lost his employee because people were being so disrespectful to his employee. Then whenever she would answer the phone, people got nasty. And I understand people getting impatient, but folks, this is not Amazon. Amazon does not have these devices. Prife International has these devices. Prife International has a way for you to really improve the well-being of the people that you love and care for, and also create residual income for you. And so Amazon, as far as I know, does not have that unless you're a really big book author and you sell a lot of books on Amazon. Prife International, through this iNetwork International, is the marketing system, the software. And so that's it for now. Please be patient. You're going to get your devices. I know that it sounds unfair that people that order right now are getting theirs quickly, but you guys, there are the May orders. You're going to get yours soon. You should get a tracking number soon, but remember what I shared in the previous video also. The workers at the Postal Service and air cargo out at Honolulu, they don't scan the devices in as received. So many times the package arrives on your doorstep, and that'll be the first scan that happens. And I have no control over that. I do not do any of the shipping. I can give you the email address of iTeraTracking@gmail.com. So that will be for the people that ordered from Hawaii only. Okay, God bless you until the next video. And it's getting better. And this is the new way. Use that Cash app. It's a free way to send money. Bye for now, and thank you for your attention.